Good morning, students. This is the question answer series which I'm starting today with the carbon and its compounds chapter, which I finished in my last video. So the text portion I finished. So I'll start with the question answer series. Okay. So I'm starting with the fill in the blanks today. So first one is dash is present in both the living and non-living things. That is the carbon which is present in both living and non-living things. The tendency of an element to exist in two or more forms but in the same physical state is known as allotropy. The state is physical state is the same, but the element exists in two or more different forms. Okay. Then dash and dash, that is graphite, diamond and graphite are the two major crystalline allotropes of carbon. Diamond is the hardest substance that occurs naturally. The name carbon is derived from the Latin word carbo. Okay. Carbon monoxide is formed when charcoal is burnt in the limited supply of air. Okay. Then coal is amorphous form of carbon. Then peat is the most inferior form of coal. It has very less amount of carbon percentage is very less. Okay. Then wood charcoal is dash is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Dash lamp black is used in making black shoe polish. Okay. Then this carbon monoxide burns in air with a blue flame to form carbon dioxide. Then carbon monoxide is a product of incomplete combustion of air. Incomplete combustion, okay, of carbon. Then the a mixture of 95% oxygen and 5% of carbon dioxide is called carbogen. Then carbon monoxide is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of pure metals from their corresponding ores. Black diamonds are used for cutting and polishing other diamonds because it's a very hard substance. Okay, it's harder than original diamonds. So the weight of diamond is measured in carat. Okay. Then some fullerenes are superconductors of electricity. Dash, that is graphite, is the only crystalline form of carbon which is a good conductor of electricity. Wood charcoal is an excellent reducing agent. Gas carbon is used for making positive electrodes of a cell. Then activated charcoal is used for removing bacteria from drinking water. Coal is formed due to the gradual removal of hydrogen from the forest bored deep in the earth by anaerobic bacteria. Then when steam is passed over white hot coke, it forms a mixture of carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen, that is water gas. Then sodium hydrogen carbonate, on strong heating, it decomposes to sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide gas. Then carbon dioxide gas is heavier than air. Okay. That's why it can be collected over air. Then when high carbon dioxide gas is passed in excess through lime water, the lime water initially turns milky and then it forms a clear solution, colorless solution. Okay. So what happens when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water? It forms calcium hydroxide. This calcium carbonate is formed, and then when excess of it is passed, then it forms calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is a soluble substance, and that's why it makes a solution colorless. Okay, clear solution. Then carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide gas is on passing through red hot coke forms carbon monoxide gas in limited supply of air. Then the solution of carbon dioxide in water is called carbonic acid. Okay. Then the effects, the elements hydrogen, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen, they are known as organogens. Okay. The property of a substance due to which it accumulates solids, liquids or gases on its outer surface is known as adsorption. ADSORPTION, adsorption. Okay. Now we come to true and false. Okay. So the slow conversion of wood into coal by biochemical process extending over millions of years is called as carbonization. No, it's true. Okay. Then zinc is found in traces in all plants and animals, and hence is an organogen. It's false. Organogens are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen, and not zinc. Then carbon dioxide has a sour taste. True, because it forms acid, so it has an acidic taste. That's a sour kind of taste. The mixture of oxygen and carbon dioxide is used for artificial respiration. That's true. It forms carbogen. Okay. Then chemical formula of marble is calcium sulfate. No, it's calcium carbonate. So the statement is false. When milkiness of lime water disappears on passing excess of carbon dioxide, the new compound formed is calcium hydrogen carbonate. That's true. Dry ice is used for extinguishing fire. That's true. Carbon dioxide is used extensively in making soft drinks. That's true. The carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure in case of soft drinks. Then lamp black is used in the manufacture of gunpowder. That's true. Gas carbon is a gaseous form of carbon. That's false. It's a gray solid. This is not the gaseous form of carbon. It's a gray solid which is obtained after destructive distillation of coal or when petroleum products are heated at high temperature in closed container. Then this gas carbon is formed. Okay. Then water gas is a mixture of hydrogen gas and carbon monoxide gas. That's true. Ammonium sulfate is used as an artificial fertilizer. That's true. Activated charcoal is used as deodorant. That's true, because it can absorb some gases on its outer surface. Okay. Then and it can absorb this odor. That's why it is used as a deodorant. Then all compounds of carbon are called hydrocarbons. That's false, because compounds of carbon and hydrogen only are known as hydrocarbons, not all the compounds of carbon. Then carbon is an organogen element. That's true. Then diamond is the purest form of carbon. That's true. Zinc is found in traces in all plants and animals, and hence an organogen. False, because organogen elements are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Then graphite is used as dry lubricant in high-speed machinery. That's true. Charcoal is a good adsorbent. That's true. Coke is obtained by destructive distillation of sugar. That's false. It's destructive distillation of coal gives us coke. Then activated charcoal is a good conductor of electricity. That's false. It is a bad conductor of electricity. Okay, so wood charcoal is an important constituent of gunpowder. That's true. Coal gas is used in the preparation of artificial fertilizers. That's false. Then carbon constitutes 0.03% of the Earth's crust. That's true. Colored diamonds are costlier than colorless and transparent diamonds. False, because colorless or transparent diamonds are costlier due to the absence of impurity. Colorless ones, they do not have impurity. The color of the diamond is due to the impurity which is present in the diamonds, and that's why they are less costlier. Okay. Then graphite has layers of hexagonal carbon bondings. That's true. Diamond is insoluble in all solvents. That's true. Then we come to choose. In a combined state, carbon occurs as petroleum. Okay, in this options, petroleum is the answer. Coal is a pure form of carbon. I mean, it's not in the combined state. Then diamond is also not in the combined state. Graphite is also not in a combined state. Only the petroleum is in the combined state. Then a crystalline form of carbon is fullerene, not lamp black, not gas carbon or charcoal. Then these are amorphous forms. Then graphite is not found in Bihar and Rajasthan. Diamond is used for cutting and drilling rocks and glasses because it's a hard substance known naturally. Then carbon forms innumerable compounds because it contains carbon atoms can form long chains. That's why it can give innumerable compounds. Okay. Then anthracite is a super type of coal. Then destructive distillation of coals yield all the above, that is coal tar, coal gas, coke. all are given as the products in case of destructive distillation of coal. Then lamp black is an amorphous form of carbon. Next is the process by which decayed plants slowly convert into coal is called carbonization. The purest form of amorphous carbon is sugar charcoal. When diamond is heated in vacuum for a very long time, it changes into graphite. Fullerene molecule, that is C16, is named after R.B. Fuller. Then graphite is used as a lubricant because it is very soft and slippery. Then the property due to which the gases and the liquids accumulate on the outer surface of the solid is known as adsorption, C1. Then the property due to which an element exhibits various physical forms which has some chemical properties is called allotrophy. Then when steam is passed over white hot charcoal, it forms carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. The process by which oxide changes to iron when heated with charcoal powder is known as reduction. The content of carbon in anthracite coal is 90% to 95%. The process due to which a complex organic compound decomposes into simpler products when heated strongly in the absence of air is known as destructive distillation. The fermentation of animal dung in the absence of air is brought about by anaerobic bacteria. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky. The gas evolved by the action of hydrochloric acid on marble is carbon dioxide. Dry ice is a solid carbon dioxide. Then the solubility of carbon monoxide gas is in blood is 300 times more than oxygen. That's why carbon monoxide easily combines with the hemoglobin of the blood to form carboxyhemoglobin and deprives a person to get oxygen. Then among the diamonds, which is the hardest? Black diamond. Graphite is prepared by heating powdered coke mixed with little sand and ferric oxide. Graphite is used in nuclear reactors as moderator. It slows down the nuclear reaction. Water gas is a combination of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Then which of the following is known as dry ice? It is solid carbon dioxide. Okay. So I'll stop here. I'll continue with the rest of the question answers in my next video. Please go through this. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment box. Do share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also be benefited from these videos. And do subscribe to get the notification of my next video. Okay. I will discuss all the left, whatever is left in your syllabus in this chemistry chapters, in chemistry subject. Okay. So please stay tuned with me, and I will be discussing everything with you. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a good day.